Hey everyone, so today in this video I'm going to teach you how to multiply numbers. I'm going to give you the basic understanding of what multiplication means, and you're going to get a chance to try what you learned during this video. So it might be ideal if you have a pen and paper to hand, or if you're feeling confident you can do it in your head. So starting with question number 1, which I will guide you through, and then from there you can give question 2, 3 and 4 a go, and I'll give you the answers also to know whether you got them right. So question number 1, we have 2 times 3. Now one way to think about this is you have 2 lots of 3. So you have 1 3 and then another 3. So this can also be written as 3 plus 3, which is going to give us 6. So the answer to 2 times 3 is 6. Now for this video, I'm going to assume that you know how to add, but if you don't know how to add, I definitely would recommend practicing that first, and then you can move on to multiplication afterwards. But assuming you know how to add, this is going to be the basic principle. So you're going to realize that there are so many of this amount. For example, in this case, there's 2 lots of 3, so you can add 3 and 3, and then that's going to give us 6. So you can apply the same technique, and you can, add in your head, write down on a bit of paper. If you really want to, you can use a calculator, but hopefully this will start to give you an understanding of what multiplication is. And as you practice more and more, you will start to remember quite common multiplications like your times tables, and you'll also understand more, I would say, how multiplication works, and you'll get more of a sense for it. So question number 2, we have 3 times 5. So as I said before, you can pause the video and have a chance to do 3 times 5. So assuming you've had a chance to tackle the question yourself, let's move on to the answer. So we have 3 lots of 5, so it's going to be 5 plus 5 plus 5, and that's going to obviously be equal to 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. Next up for question number 3, we have 3 times 7. Again, I'll give you a second if you want to pause the video, give it a go yourself. Assuming you've had a chance to tackle question number 3, we need to think of it just like each question before. So there's going to be 3 lots of 7. That's going to be 7 plus 7 plus 7, and that's going to be equal to 21. Now for question number 4, we have 4 times 8. So I'm sure you can start to see a bit of a pattern now, but please feel free to pause the video and you can give this one a go yourself also. So question number 4, 4 times 8, we're going to tackle that in a very similar way. We can say there's 4 lots of 8, so it's 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is going to be equal to 32 when you add them all together. So hopefully that made sense, hopefully it was clear, hopefully it gave you a good sense of what multiplication is and how to multiply numbers together. If you have any comments or questions, you can drop them down below and I'll do my best to try to answer you there. Best of luck with all your maths, and thanks for watching.